starting to let up.
Okay, fine. So you get by the campground on 121. Alright, if I head down to the yeah, go ahead.
Those are big drops.
It hit.
Yep.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I saw it. I'm pointing at it. More hail. You just watch windshield, you'll see more. Or up here.
I can't see out this window anymore.
Still lightning coming from your direction. Really close.
Let me know if you see anything on the road. Yeah, here it is. Definitely hitting now.
Oh, breaking right in front of your camera. More frequent.
Yeah, right there. Washed away.
Resting right on the windshield wiper.
Wow, it's bright. It's raining so hard, it's brighter than noon.
You cannot even see the trees across the field.
You can't see it. You can barely see the tree right in front of you.
I would not want to drive in this.
I'm going to close this for safety purposes. Is that alright?
I guess if you want. It's not like it's going to break though.
I guess I'm not going to do that then. It's letting up again. I think it's breaking apart too.
Since we got that little bit of hail, I think we just clipped the hail core.
Oh, it bounced off the side. I saw it. Is that the sun out?
Yeah, you still got that one storm in northern Fayette County. It's just north of Connorsville. Looks like it's trying to develop south a little bit, but other than that, I'd say we survived round one anyway.
Round one? Are you serious?
Yeah, it looks like the worst of that one actually is up in Wayne County.
Right where we are.
Yeah.
Up around Fountain City, up in that area.
Okay,
Wait a minute.
A little bit north.
I think he's talking about the other part of it.
Just the tip of northern Fayette County.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look how dark.
We're at the tip of. Holy crap!
You want to go that way? I want to get. You want to head that way?
Possibly. Listen to them a little bit more. So.
It's just light rain here. Nothing major.
I want to head that way.
Yeah, I don't even think I have light rain here now.
Very southern.
But I think it's dissipated down to nothing now.
Southern tip of Wayne, northern tip of
Fayette. Anything on the radar. It shows actually just north of Connorsville.
That would be that way.
Okay, yeah.
Fountain City's that way. Look how dark it is.
Really
I want to head up to our other spot.
Yeah, I plan on once I get to Connorsville.
Do that.
Yeah, because look, it's passed on up here.
Yeah, hopefully this wipes away.
Yeah, I understand.
Looks like it's all on the inside. Are you kidding me?
Really?
That's not cool.